In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Welcome back to my channel, Basic Learning with SS. This is lecture 2 of the 10th series. I hope you have subscribed my channel. If not, do consider subscribing. Here I am trying to simplify English grammar in a way that is understandable for the students belonging to different levels. Dear, in previous video we discussed about form and function of present indefinite tense. In this video we are going to discuss the form and function of present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is made with the helping verb be and first form of verb plus ing. Be refers to is, am, are. We use is plus first form of verb and ing with he, she, it or singular nouns. For example, she is writing a letter. To form negative sentence, we add not after the helping verb. She is not writing a letter. And to form interrogative sentence, we add helping verb at the beginning of the sentence. Is she writing a letter? We use am plus first form of verb and ing with I. For example, I am listening music. Let's look at the examples. I am listening music. To form negative sentence, we add not after the helping verb. I am not listening music. And to form interrogative sentence, we place helping verb at the beginning of the sentence. Am I listening music? We use are plus first form of verb and ing with we, they, you and plural nouns. For example, we are collecting donations. The negative sentence is we are not collecting donations. The interrogative sentence is are we collecting donations? Now let's discuss the function of this tense. Present continuous tense is used for an action going on at the time of speaking. For example, she is singing. The boys are playing hockey. Means these actions are actually happening when we are discussing. The next function. This tense is used to discuss a temporary action which may not be actually happening at the time of speaking. Let's look at the example. I am reading A Tale of Two Cities. It means I am reading this novel in these days, but after some days when it is completed, I will not continue. So, this tense is also used to discuss temporary actions. We also use this tense to discuss an action that is the part of informal plan. Means that is not officially planned but part of personal planning. Let's look at the example. My father is arriving tomorrow. My sister is traveling next week. Let's discuss the next function. We use present continuous tense to discuss obstinate habit. Obstinate means odd, which are not good. And in this case, we usually add adverbs like usually, always, constantly. For example, she's always complaining. My dog is silly, he's always running out into the road. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you have any query, do comment below and stay tuned for upcoming videos.